that talking, made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, grinding like my stash still in the Mac.
Hey kings and queens, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Annie and K. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey oldies but goodies. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe, because baby, your time is appreciated. And if you do enjoy the content here on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because what? We love to get into it, okay, with these coins. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay y'all, so first things first, we do not know how much money we stuff in. This is the saving challenges for the month of August, baby. Basically what your girl saved, because let me tell you, okay, August played me. It sure did. But we're gonna count up this cash first to see how much we are stuffing, because honestly I don't know, and we will get into this video. So first, let's calculate. So we are cash stuffing 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600. Ooh, we love when they even like that. So that's $600. Then 20, 40, 60, 80, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $1,000. Apparently in August, the girl was doing bomb, okay? Okay, so that's 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So today I will be cash stuffing 1,028 beautiful dollars. We love to see it. We love the coins, because baby, baby, we love to be where the money resides. You feel me? You feel me? All right. So we're gonna put this money in our cash tray. All right. And so I do two. Ooh, child, do I even have those? Hold up, child. You know I'll be unprepared for these. Bless my little heart, baby. I left my little highlighter. You know what? It will be fine. Okay, so now we got the money looking cute. So these are made in July, baby. They are propped, so we gonna move them off. But I do the 100 envelope challenge, which a link is down below. If you want to do that, it is free printable, sweetie. You ain't gotta do nothing but press the link. And I'm also doing the quarterly challenge by Her Cursor Plan. Hey, listen, we are almost in fourth quarter, but baby, I'm trying to get this done, okay? And if I can get it done within the third quarter, we can be going straight through to accomplishing the completion of the 100 envelope. These are the cash envelopes of the 100 envelope challenge that we are going to be cash stuffing. Number 24, number 25, 27, 28, 29, 32, damn girl, 32, 76, 80, 90, and 94. This is the extra one. I don't know why it's there. So these are the cash envelopes. So we're going to do a 20 and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. They not in the same order. Oh, the ghetto, child. Hold up, wait a minute. Okay, it looks like it is. I hate when my money don't face the same way. Like, we should be in agreements, okay? Okay, so 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, and we're gonna put that in here. And y'all, I tried to find my stickers today for this little video so that we can have the stickers on the back like we used to do, and I can't find them. I don't know if they got lost during like my move from Korea to here, but it's upsetting. Hello, me and my homegirls, y'all are upset. Anyways, number 25 is next. So 20 and a 5. We're gonna put that in here. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, the bank account, I don't know if she can handle completing the 100 envelope challenge, but the goal is to complete the 100 envelope challenge, because you know what, 2021 tried it, outside tried it, okay? And what we not about to do is take it to the chest, okay? No ma'am. 20, 25, and 2 ones for 27. No, since 2020, like, outside has just been acting up and doing whatever it wants. Hello? We don't want it. We do not want it. Like, last night I was watching like some old videos of when outside was open. oh, I miss when outside was open. But you know what? Roro is not gonna come for me, you know, and make me unhealthy or sickly. You know, opinions is opinions, baby. I got the shot. Your girl's vaccinated, but I got the shot, one, because now it's like official in the military. But prior to that, I was just like, you know what? I ain't taking it home to my mama and my daddy. No ma'am. So I got the shots. Do you, boo-boo? This is all a personal decision, and I don't blame you one bit if you want it or if you don't. That's on you. 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28 is for the 28 envelope. Yeah, girl, sir. Don't let nobody tell you what to do, child, because at the end of the day, what if you take a shot and you get sick? Baby, okay, listen, you damn if you do, you damn if you don't. Be damn the way you want. Point blank, period. Number 29, so that's a 20, a 5, and 4 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah, how y'all doing? Y'all, let me tell you, okay? Life be trying it, okay? Life be trying it. But life be lifing, but we still, you know, making it. So it is what it is. Y'all already told y'all that I went through like 3 outside disasters all at once. Yeah, child, old news but still news. Your girl just be going through the naturals of the naturals outside, but it's okay. I'm still here, I'm still making it, I'm still alive. Praise the Lord, won't he do it? So yes, number 32 for this envelope. So it's a 20, a 10, and 2 ones. Y'all, I'm just so no. So I went to the bank today, right? Because I had to put back money inside the bank after I used my credit card. Child, I'm learning that your girl needs to stop using her credit card, and I'm back in the cash envelope. Only family. Well, let me not lie. Mostly family. Yeah, child, I had to back it up because I was spending, and the spending of the situation was not doing well for me. So your girl had to, you know, go back to her roots, and that was the cash envelope out of it all. So 50, 70, 75, and 76. We don't want to get the big ones wrong, child. But yeah, I went to the bank today, and this guy deposited $2,480. I think that's what it was, because I was minding his business and not mine. And I just thought of this 100 envelope challenge and my quarterly challenge, and you know, I said, once the new year comes around, and that's gonna be me, big smiles to the savings account in January. I'm gonna be walking up in there chest puffed out because your girl has accomplished her goal. You know, hopefully it's both goals for both of these challenges, but it is what it is, baby. But yeah, he was depositing, you know, $2 grand, and I said, sir, thank you, okay? My daily dose of inspiration, because that will be me in 3 months. So, you know, keep doing your little saving challenges, because when you go to deposit the money, you won't even realize this, okay? I mean, I'm counting my coins already, but let's not talk about it. Anyways, it is what it is. Next is 94. That's a 50, 2 20s, and 4 ones. But yeah, I was so like happy just to see that. And he said it's going to the savings account, and I was like, sir, we love to see it. 50, 70, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So yeah, y'all, just a little, you know, little story time for y'all to, you know, stay motivated. Because can we talk about how it's September and I'm over budgeting, I'm over saving challenges, I'm over all of it in relation to my money and keeping track. I want to be irresponsible. You remember when you forgot when you did not forgot, but when you didn't know how to budget, when you didn't know how beneficial it was to your life, oblivion was the best, okay? But now you know how to budget, you know where your money going, you can't even spend right, it don't feel right. I miss the good old days of oblivion. Not the good old days, sis. No, I miss the good old days when I didn't think about my money. I just spent what I wanted and be like, oh, I'm gonna get a paycheck. But anyways, y'all, that was all of August for the 100 envelope challenge. And these were the envelope that I filled. And you already know, we're going into boom bada bang, small things in the universe, but something precious box. And not gonna lie, she is stacked, okay? Like, I don't even know if she gonna close. But look at all the other envelopes that I filled already. I feel rich, bitch. I feel rich. Anyways, all of these have money in them. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Anyways, I'm gonna put that back in the box and we're gonna close up small things in the universe, but something precious. Look how it lifts. Yes, this ain't gonna stay in here forever, but we almost done, so it's cool. Oh, let me put back Sunset Rose's little message. Okay, so next is my quarterly saving challenge. Y'all, I have not printed out the August one. I do have her, but my table has not been delivered yet. Okay, so once my table get delivered, I am going to print it. What's this? It's not vinyl. Ooh, what's the word? No, shit, I thought camouflage. Why would I think camouflage? What is the word? You know what? Plasticity. If y'all have been an oldie but goodie, I plasticed it up. You already know what's up. You already know what's good. Oldie but goodie knows what I meant. No, seriously, what is, you know what? Let's move on. But anyways, guys, I will update that. But I can't even find the plastic thing to make these, so I gotta buy some more, but it is what it is. It's the future, it's coming. But no, so this is a quarterly challenge, so I'm doing number 14, which is $28. I'm doing 15, which is $30. I'm doing 42, which is $168. I'm doing 43, which is $172. Okay, and then also, because that was from paycheck 1, also I'm doing number 42 and 43, right? Yes, ma'am. And I'm also doing number 28, which is $84. And I'm also doing number 40, which is $160. So in total, I should have $642 that is going towards my quarterly challenge. Damn! I put a lot of coins, bitch. A lot of coins, sis. Anyways, a lot. So $642, which I think should be all of this up here. Don't you think? I think so. So we're just going to take up all this money. It's a whole lot of money in this month. Ayo, Bia. Yes. So let's count. 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450. The odd numbers. 470, 490, 510, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 590, 95. 95, 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $613. Y'all, I'm missing money. I'm missing money, and that's a problem. $613 is what I counted. Did I not do this right? Like, hold up. $613. Let me check if I have any more money left over somewhere. Apparently not. $613. Minus 613. $29 is missing from somewhere, y'all. $29 is missing. I don't know where this $29 is because you know, but $29 is missing, and I do have a $29 from the 100 cash envelopes, which I did. So we don't know. That might be it, y'all. That might be it. I don't know. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take, ooh, child, do I wanna take $29 from my allowance though? Ooh. I'm gonna figure it out. For right now, it's getting $613. I'm gonna put it in this envelope, and I'm gonna do the pretty later on in life. But no. Quarterly challenge for August. Isn't that cute? Okay, so $613 is going in there for now. It's not like, you know, it's being broke or whatever. 613. Isn't that like a song or an important time or something? I feel like it is. I feel like it is. Hold on, because it's being a little too long of a video now. So let's wrap it up. Yeah, and I'll find the $29 for this, but yeah, guys. So anyways, that's it for the saving challenge video. If you guys do enjoy the content here, little baby, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need blessings, okay? And budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real, so keep it real, sis. All right, so my name is Anique, and AK, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the another one. Bye.
How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. That little thing.